Welcome back, Truth Seeking Chi Masters. Today, let's examine the magical potential we all inherently have as human beings. And that is our ability to sense with our antennas currents on a yes or no deciphering, be it about ourselves, be it about a medical question. But the really important thing to remember is that it's all about the intention. Is your intention pure? Then you will always get accurate results when you begin to explore your magical abilities. And also vitally important is how we calibrate our magical tools. So in this case, we have a pendulum here. So this is a pendulum. It's just one way we can extend ourselves energetically more than we already do. We already are always feeling around yes or no. Is this the right answer? Is this in my highest and brightest decision to do this? But we're going to take it a step further and refine this skill. There are tools. In fact, remember, you're the tool. Ultimately, the magic comes from within, not some healer out there, not some guru out there. All of the potential and power is here. So we'll start this short exercise to calibrate a pendulum or a similar tool you may have, perhaps a necklace or a mala, something where you have a heavy weight and able to douse in the ether like this. So please show us a yes response. So this is an up and down yes response, which I traditionally default to. And then we're stopping. Here's please show a no response. And so just by this calibration, we're setting up the intentions for later. Balance or stop. Please show us a spinning yes response. So this is going clockwise. Balancing, give a stop here. And as soon as it stops, we can ask again. Please show us a spinning no response. So now it's spinning counterclockwise. And it may seem witchy, but technically we can all do this. So it's not that witchy if it's part of our human DNA to be able to work magic on ourselves. And then the calibration part, super important, balance. Is my name Chad? Yes. So I'm getting a clear yes. Balance. Is my name Billy Joel? No, of course not. Not Billy Joel. So, balance. And then from here now, we're calibrated to work subtly. Now remember, the intention is what is driving the mechanism here to be clear and transparent. As soon as there's a egoic cling to an outcome, then there's going to be snags, and you may even be moving the pendulum with your telekinesis ability, which is another skill to refine. But for now, if you're new to this, the real important thing is to calibrate yourself. Get comfortable with what your yes is and what your no is. And then from there, we can begin on a journey of fun and magic, and in the name of healing, we can activate the brightest human DNA in all of us when we remember these basic skills that we all are already all doing at some point in every day, but now we can really refine it so long as we can gather our energy back to a center and come from a still point of pure intention. This is a very introductory video here. I invite you to explore your magical self. I invite you to feel empowered. I invite you to live as if you know exactly who you are, because in your soul, in your heart, you know exactly who you are. You don't even need these tools. There's just one tool to connect back to a plethora of magical abilities we all have. I look forward to sharing more about this type of connecting to the subtle realms.